What's up, my beautiful people? How are you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. So yesterday we talked about how I messed my hair up. My hair was breaking, my hair was shedding. If you've not seen that video, please do well to go check it out, because I highlighted some key points that will help you to prevent the mistake from happening again. However, in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys the steps that I took to bring my hair back to normal. Like literally, after taking these steps, my hair stopped shedding. There was no breakage anymore, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys orally the steps that I took, and then in a future video I'm going to film it step by step and I'm going to show you. But today I'm going to just tell you by word of mouth what I did while detangling my hair. So on this day, I just finished washing my hair following these steps that I just told you about, and then I was moisturizing my hair, and you could see that my hair was literally not shedding anymore, like the way in the previous video. Like I'll pull my hair and we just see hair following my hand, but in today's video, hair was not just following. Like my hair strands were fortified. It looks stronger and better and even more resistant to breakage. So I'm going to share with you 6 steps that I took to bring my hair up to this point. So if you've made a mistake, a terrible mistake like I did, I want to reassure you that you can come back from that mistake. Okay, so keep on watching. Let me share with you the steps while I moisturize my hair. Alright guys, so the first step that I took was to pre-poo my hair. Pre-pooing our natural hair is very important because it helps to it helps us to detangle our hair properly before hopping into the shower, help to reduce breakage, right? So I went ahead and pre-pooed my hair first. I pre-pooed my hair a night before the day that I'm actually going to wash my hair. Then the next day I shampooed my hair. Now that my scalp is very clean, I went ahead and then I poured a tea on my hair. The tea that I poured is a DHT blocker. DHT is the hormone that is responsible for shedding, right? So the tea that I poured on my hair is good for blocking those hormones. Like it prevents your hair from shedding. Don't worry, in the future video, like I said earlier, I'm going to show you everything. Okay, so I poured the tea on my hair and then I covered my hair for a good 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes mark, I went ahead and did a hot oil treatment. Guys, I am on a mission to do everything possible to prevent my hair from breaking, and you could literally see from my detangling section on this day that I achieved the goal that I was pursuing on this very day. Okay, so I went ahead and did my hot oil treatment, and then I covered my hair for 1 hour. I literally slept off while waiting for the 1 hour mark to be over, and then I went to the shower and then I washed away the excess oil. I didn't use shampoo again. I just washed it off, right? I washed off as much as I could. By the way, if you've not introduced hot oil treatment on your hair, you should introduce it. Hot oil treatment alone can stop hair fall on its own. But the reason why I went in with all of this process is I don't want to give my hair any chance to shed at all. Do you get? Alright, so now after the 1 hour mark, I went ahead and I washed it off. So while washing it off, I didn't use any shampoo, I didn't use any conditioner. I just use water and rinse off as much oil as I can. Now after I finished rinsing off the oil, I went ahead and deep condition, you guys. I deep conditioned my hair and I covered it for another 30 minutes. Now when the 30 minutes was over, I'll then wash off my hair. I rinsed it off thoroughly, detangle my hair thoroughly. The next step, I went ahead to moisturize my hair, which is what you're seeing right now. So I went ahead to moisturize my hair, and then because I'm going to braid my hair later that evening, I had to now put it in a bantu knot so that it will not dry out, right? So you didn't see me going in with another water again because my hair is already very damp from washing my hair. Okay, so that is why here you didn't see me pouring water, spraying water on my hair before going in with my leave-in conditioner like I used to do before. Okay, so yeah, that is the process and the steps that I took to stop my hair from basically shedding. In the future video, like I said, I'm going to show you guys visually the step by step again. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on the video that I promise you that is going to come out. Once you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that you will get the notification of my future uploads. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for your support, and your kindness is highly appreciated. I'll see you all in my next video. Meanwhile, if you've not watched yesterday's video, please check it out next.